Vision Forward's In Focus team presents.
Hey there, I am Corey Ballard, and thanks for joining us on another In Focus Tech Demo. Some of the things that you can do with the Amazon Echo include, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 2:45 p.m.
Asking at the time seems like a very simple question and simple task, but think about all the times you've struggled to see the clock on the wall or walk across the room to press the button on your talking clock. You can now use your voice throughout the house to ask the time. Besides the time, we can say, Alexa, what's the date today?
It's Thursday, October 10th.
We can get the date again with a simple command. When you wake up in the morning, you may decide that you're about to leave the house. You want to know what the weather is to know how to dress. We can say, Alexa, what's the weather today?
Right now in Milwaukee, it's 63 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds with a high of 65 degrees and a low of 61 degrees.
We can also ask the Amazon Echo for a 7-day forecast to hear the weather for the rest of the week. I like to have an Amazon Echo in my kitchen while I'm cooking because one of the features it provides is an accessible timer. I can say, Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes.
2 minutes, starting now.
We now have a timer set. We can ask the status of the timer. Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
You have 1 minute and 50 seconds left on your 2 minutes timer.
Alexa, stop my timer.
2 minutes timer canceled.
Not only can we set a single timer, but the Amazon Echo also allows you to do multiple timers, and you can name them. Let's say you are in the kitchen and you're making dinner. Let's say you're making pasta. So we've got noodles, we've got some kind of sauce going, and we want to set separate timers for each of those foods that we are cooking. We can say, Alexa, set a pasta timer for 10 minutes.
Pasta timer, 10 minutes, starting now.
And we can say, Alexa, set a sauce timer for 5 minutes.
Sauce timer, 5 minutes, starting now.
Now we have 2 timers going, and we can, because we've named them, we can now ask for the status of the timer by name. Alexa, how much time is left on my pasta timer?
You have 9 minutes and 30 seconds left on your pasta timer.
Alexa, cancel all my timers.
Canceling all your timers.
Besides having an Amazon Echo in the kitchen, I also like to have one in my bedroom to use as an accessible alarm clock. We already saw how we can ask it the time, but we can also ask it to set alarms for us. Alexa, wake me up tomorrow at 6 a.m.
Alarm set for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
We have a simple alarm now that will go off at 6 a.m. But let's say you get up every single day during the week at 7 a.m. for work. We could set a timer for the entire week. Alexa, set a timer for every weekday at 7 a.m.
Second alarm set for every weekday at 7 a.m.
Now we have an alarm set for every single weekday morning for 7 a.m. Alexa, stop all of my alarms.
Canceling all your alarms.
Now we can sleep in tomorrow. You can also do some entertainment with your Amazon Echo. Depending on if you subscribe to a streaming music service, you have the ability to ask Amazon Echo to stream specific music for you. We can ask for a specific album, a specific genre, or a specific song. Let's ask Alexa, play the Beatles' Abbey Road.
Abbey Road, Super Deluxe Edition by the Beatles, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, next. Alexa, volume 3. Alexa, volume 8. Alexa, stop. So by asking for the specific album, it began playing that album. We're able to use the next and previous commands to change tracks. And we also can control the volume. I could either have said volume up or volume down, or as in this example, I used numbers 1 through 10 to make larger volume changes. The Amazon Echo can also make phone calls. You can call landlines or cell phone numbers and use your Amazon Echo as a speakerphone. During the setup process, it does tie to your phone number, and so when you call somebody from your Amazon Echo, it comes from whichever phone number you chose. At that time, you also have the ability to upload any contacts you have. If you upload contacts, you may then ask the Amazon Echo to call a specific person by the name that you've put in your contact list. If you've not uploaded a contacts, then you may just say the phone number to make a phone call. For example, Alexa, call 414-615-0100.
1-414-615-0100.
It'll start ringing.
Good afternoon, Vision Forward.
Hey Rick, it's Corey back in tech. We are just shooting a video here describing and showing how you can use the Amazon Echo as a phone. So I appreciate you answering, and now I'm going to hang up on you.
All right, you bet.
Alexa, hang up. So we're able to use our voice to both make calls and then end those calls. What I think is great about using your Amazon Echo as a phone is those times that you may be worried about yourself or a loved one, and if they have fallen in their home, don't have access to a phone, as long as they can still yell out, they can place a phone call for help. The Amazon Echo is a smart speaker, and it is very smart. And what you can do is add that smart speaker to your home and pair it with third-party devices in order to control those devices. For example, a device in my home that's always been a challenge for me is the thermostat, both seeing what the temperature is and changing that temperature. Now, I've purchased a smart thermostat and have it installed in my home, and now I can use my Amazon Echo to control it. Alexa, what's the temperature inside?
Inside, it's 68.
I can quickly get the inside temperature. Alexa, set the thermostat to 71 degrees.
The AC is set to 71.
And I can also change the setting of the thermostat. Not only can you control thermostats, but there's many other devices you can control, including smart plugs. Smart plugs are a small device that plugs into the outlet of your wall, and then you plug other devices, for example, a lamp, into that smart plug, and then you have the ability to use your Amazon Echo to control that light. We have a nice desk lamp sitting next to us, and let's see if we can use our voice to control it. It is right next to me. I probably could lean over and turn it on, but let's be lazy and use our voice. Alexa, turn on the desk light. Perfect. Alexa, turn off the desk light. If you have multiple smart plugs in your home and you have multiple lamps, you can group them together and say, turn on my lights, and it can turn on more than one light at a time. The Amazon Echo can also be controlled from a pretty good distance away. I'm a good 30 feet away from our Amazon Echo now, and if I wanted to turn the light on across the room, I can say, Alexa, turn on the desk light. And it is able to hear us and perform the command. Alexa, turn off the desk light. The Amazon Echo sure has a lot of features built into it, and as somebody living with vision loss, it has definitely made my life easier, has brought entertainment to me, but also has allowed me to control other devices that were impossible or difficult for me to control in the past. If you'd like to learn more about what the Amazon Echo can do or any other assistive technology, feel free to contact us in 3 different ways. First, call us at 414-615-0103. Email us infocus@vision-forward.org or visit our website vision-forward.org. Thanks for joining us on another tech demo. Stay tuned.